How do you actually choose the right project development approach for your next big initiative at Andro Indian? Not by guessing, not by following trends. Success comes through structured analysis, not luck. Today, we're diving into a proven 3-step decision framework used by top project managers to ensure strategic alignment. Step 1. Inventory your deliverables. We start by looking at what we are actually building. Are the requirements stable and well-defined? Or is the deliverable likely to evolve as we build it? Consider the complexity. Is this something your team has done 1,000 times? Or is it a novel innovation? Defined deliverables favor Waterfall. High innovation, high uncertainty projects demand the flexibility of Agile. Think about risk. A shift-left strategy helps us catch quality issues early in the delivery lifecycle. Step 2. Analyze your project factors. This is about the environment and constraints of the project itself. Look at the project size and urgency. Larger distributed teams often require more formal governance and structure. What is your team's expertise? Agile requires high-performing, self-organizing teams with deep domain knowledge. Consider resource availability. Are your subject matter experts available for daily scrums or only for periodic reviews? Predictive models work best for stable environments, while adaptive models excel when speed to market is the priority. Don't forget governance. Highly regulated industries often lean toward predictive frameworks for accountability. Step 3. Evaluate organizational factors. The best methodology is one your culture can actually support. Is your culture top-down and hierarchical, or do you have an empowered culture built on trust and transparency? What is the organization's PM maturity? Introducing Agile in a waterfall-heavy culture requires significant change management. Strategic alignment is key. Ensure your methodology aligns with the broader business objectives and ESG goals. Methodology selection also dictates your phase gates and criteria, standardized gates for Waterfall, and iterative reviews for Agile. Aligning your development approach with the product lifecycle ensures seamless transitions from project completion to operations. Remember, it's not always one or the other. Many Andro Indian projects find success in a hybrid approach that blends stability with speed. This structured analysis is the first step in value engineering, ensuring we maximize ROI while meeting essential project functions. By balancing these 3 factors, you move from guessing to data-driven methodology selection for every Andro Indian project. This holistic approach ensures you deliver maximum value to your organization, your customers, and your stakeholders. Visit androindian.com for more deep dives into project excellence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.